Hello, Amazon sellers. Welcome back to Episus Solutions, your go-to source for mastering the art of selling on Amazon. Today, we've got a fantastic strategy to supercharge your sales. We'll be creating a 10% coupon right in Amazon Seller Central. Exciting, right? Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and let's dive into the world of discounts. First things first, let's log into the heart of your Amazon operations, Seller Central. Head over to the Advertising tab and select Coupons. This is where the magic happens. Hit Create a Coupon. Get ready to unleash a powerful promotion for your products. Search your product with a relevant keyword or by entering the ASIN. Choose the products you want to offer with a 10% discount. This is your chance to showcase your best sellers or promote new arrivals. Select the duration for your coupon. Decide when you want this promotional magic to happen. Fill in all the required details like discount percentage off, budget, and a relevant coupon title. Specify a 10% discount. You can also set a minimum purchase if you have specific condition. Always remember title should be relevant to the product category. Click on Continue now. Take a moment to review the coupon details. Once you're satisfied, submit for coupon creation. Voila! You have successfully submitted. Pro tips for Coupon Success 1. Monitor performance and adjust your coupon strategy based on insights. 2. Always set discount percentages carefully based on your margin. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow sellers, and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, may your coupons drive sales and your business thrive. Happy selling!